Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, is this huge haul. I incorporated ZARA, Missy Empire, Fashionnova, a lot of stuff. This video is highly requested every single day because I'm posting my outfits on Instagram like daily. A lot of stuff I actually buy in ZARA, and I get a lot of PR stuff from other brands. Like, I don't even know how to explain my style. My style is different like day by day because sometimes I wake up, I want to be like super glamorous, sometimes really casual, and I would say recently I'm doing a lot of casual outfits. I bought so many sneakers and just it's like my latest obsession. Yeah, I can say that sneakers are definitely my obsession. I got so many pairs in last month. Oh girl, like a lot of jeans, casual t-shirts, maybe leather jacket, really bomb heels, nice bag, and I'm good to go. So I would say I'm not that complicated when it comes to style. I don't even consider myself a very fashionable person. I'm totally the opposite, but I just love to wear whatever I feel comfortable in, or, you know, basically if I feel good in something that it's not in trend at this point, I'm gonna wear it anywhere because I feel good in that, and that's it. So let's get started. First, I want to talk about the jeans. Lately, I've been wearing a lot of mom jeans. I cannot remember when I wore those like really skinny jeans. So I have like I think four pairs here. I'm gonna show it to you. I think I'm always purchasing the same type of color and, you know, style. But I'm gonna show you the first pair I got from Guess. And this is how they look like. Their name is Emmy. Is this the name? I guess this is the name here. Typical mom jeans. They're ripped here on the knees and really nice. They have this Guess logo here. They're really pretty. I love the color. It's like you can wear it basically on everything. I wore them with their hoodie from Guess as well, the red one. I'm gonna show you the picture here. I received a lot of compliments, so I really love them. But yeah, the size I got is 26 US, which is 26 UK, and European size is 40 actually, and I'm never that size, so they have smaller sizes, so take care on that. Next pair I have is definitely my favorite pair. I believe they're the cheapest pair from all of these, but they are like so amazing. I'm wearing them like all the time. These are Fashionnova. Their name is, I don't remember the name, but I think something with boyfriend. You Make Me Want a Boyfriend. Oh yeah, I think they're called You Make Me Want a Boyfriend. My size is 3 US, and they're like the perfect pair from the color, from the style. They're ripped. I just love them. The next pair is from Topshop. This was my first time buying stuff from Topshop online, and I made a huge mistake in sizing. So I got waist 28 and length is 30. I do have a smaller waist, so every single like high mom or boyfriend jeans are always like super loose on the back, so I have that problem. See, they look so huge, but I will definitely customize them and make them a little bit smaller on my waist and then a little bit on the sides as well. Moto Mom, that's how they're called. I cannot remember the price, but I'm gonna list everything down below. I really hope everything is still available. I don't know. I got like pretty similar ones from ZARA. They're called Authentic Denim by TRF. Yeah. The size is European size 38. So sometimes I like to purchase my boyfriend or mom jeans a size bigger. Sometimes. Yeah, it depends on brand. Like every single brand has a different sizing, and I like to purchase my clothes a little bit bigger when it comes to shirts, jackets, some jeans. So yeah, they're pretty like regular type of jeans from behind as well. I absolutely love the color. I love how they look like, and you can style them on with everything. So the other day I was in ZARA as well, in ZARA Men, because I was looking for a really nice pair of joggers, and I usually like to wear men joggers because they're made so differently from female section, and they look so much better. They're like a little bit baggier, and they're always much higher than women joggers. So yeah, this is how they look like. I got them in size medium, and they're called, I don't know, Essential ZARA Daily Outfit. That's how probably that's the name. But yeah, it's a mix of cotton and polyester. They fit really nice. See that booty here? I love gray joggers. I don't know if you can understand. I love seeing men in gray joggers. So
today I was in ZARA as well. I was just about to see what they have in store, something new. Take a look at this.
I got the bag full of clothes. I have a problem with ZARA. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what I got. I got these trousers. Their name is, I think they're called Sam 845. I'm not sure, but yeah. I saw them on Instagram on a couple of girls and I was in love. They look so cute. They have this blue white detail from the side, and they're like, that's the fit. They're gonna look good with some regular white tank, and you can probably wear some heels and that's gonna be like a bomb-ass outfit. I got this shorts in size 36, US size 4. They're called mid-rise skater shorts. I don't actually have a lot of shorts. That's just what I realized. I never actually buy shorts, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get them because it's getting really warm in here. Finally, we have spring, so I'm good to go. And this as well. This is a bodysuit, size medium. Yeah, it's colorful. Who would say I would wear it? But yeah, it looks so amazing on a doll. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. Also got those earrings. They're so cute. I think they're around like 12 bucks. $12. Collection earrings. I don't know. They don't actually have a name. But I cannot wait to wear them. Oh, next I got these from ZARA as well. TRF section in size medium. And yeah, I love the color. So they have a really nice detail. They're pretty baggy and very high-waisted, and they have this belt in here. You can just, it suits me so good, I would say. So yeah, I got this super high-waisted trousers from ZARA as well, size S. These are like the classic trousers that you normally wear with the blazer. I have the blazer from ZARA as well here. It goes with those pants, and this one is in size medium. Next I have another ZARA suit. Look at this beauty. I don't even know what to say, but it's like so pretty. I love everything from the shoulders to the button details, everything. And it's a little bit longer. It's not so short. Everything about this suit is life. I cannot wait to wear it. I don't even know where I'm gonna wear it. I think it's gonna be sold out everywhere because it's so good. Next I have this two-piece set kimono and trousers from Missy Empire. They don't actually have their label here, so I don't know the name, but I'm gonna size. It says small and medium, so basically it's gonna fit small and medium size girls. I guess I would say this is a copy from ZARA last year. I know everybody had this set, and I was like, okay, I'm not gonna purchase this because everybody else have it. And like when I saw it on their website, I was actually choosing stuff from their website, and I was like, okay, I need to try this year at least. And yeah, I also got a package from Lolashoetique. This is what I picked up as well. I didn't actually think it's gonna look so good in person, the material and everything. Like, take a look at this. It's so long, literally so long. This is like a kimono jacket, whatever, vest, I don't know. But a really nice piece. I think you can wear this as a dress or as a jacket. I don't know. It does look like a bathrobe, but yeah, you can style this in so many ways, and I'm like so happy I got this. This is in size S, and it's really big, so if you're a size medium, I think you can pull this as well in this size. This dress is also from ZARA. Like, I don't know, I'm killing the ZARA this year. It's all the way to my knees, very baggy. It has this detail on the back, size medium. I'm gonna list it down below, but I feel like when I take a picture in this and some bombast heels, I'm gonna look so good. The material, polyester, whatever, it's very elastic. I love this dress. One more piece from Lolashoetique. This really nice top. It stinks as well. I need to wash it. This is a size S, but it's such a cute top. You can style it with jeans, with joggers, with whatever you want. It's gonna look so good. I love the color. It's like so comfy, so cute. I just want to show you some bags I got and the shoes, obviously. So I got this Gucci Mermont mini bag. Yeah, this is the size mini, not small. This was actually my first Gucci bag ever. I mean, that's my baby. I really work hard for this. That was my Christmas gift for myself. And I don't know, I just love the bag. I love the details. I've been wearing it on so many combos and it looks so pretty. See, even now, it's like very easy to destroy it, so be very careful. I actually got this from Farfetch. That's a website for European Union. So everybody who are interested and you live in Europe, you can find this at Farfetch. So a month ago, I also got this second one. Basically, this one is perfect bag for spring, summer. It's white, it's small. You can it's called White Gigi Mermont leather cross bag. This is one size. You cannot choose from, mini, small, big. This is the only size. It only has this one belt. You cannot customize it. You can always tuck it in and wear it like a purse. And yeah, I love to wear this on daily because it's really a daytime. I would say this is a daytime bag. Yeah. Next, I have two belt bags. This one is from Topshop. It has a lion here. It's very small, as you can see. You normally would put on your belt, but it's so cute. Also, I love that it's silver. I love the details and everything. So this is another bag, another belt bag from ZARA. But this one can be customized. You can wear it as a belt bag or like a normal bag like this, or crossbody bag. Black one was the first one that was launched from ZARA. And this red one is I don't know, I love the black as well, but I think this red one, it has much more personality. And yeah, usually I love red. I'm gonna show you the picture here, how I styled it, and people went crazy, like, where did you get the bag? And I was like, oh yeah, ZARA, obviously. Now I'm gonna show you some amazing shoes I got. My shoe size is size 39 European. So I got this first pair from Simi Shoes. They look so bomb. I love this type of sandals. Shoes like these can be styled so amazing with everything. So yeah. Then I have these beauties from Public Desire. They're pink as well. Look like that. They're clear at front, and I just love this pink. See? I got very similar ones with different heel, but I love colorful heels because I normally, like I said, wear mostly white, black, gray, nude. If I wear an outfit which is very plain, you just put on some bombast heels like these, pink, yellow, no matter what color, and it's gonna look bomb. Their quality is obviously not some really branded, expensive shoes, but if you see my outfits and my shoes, you would never tell that these are only 20 or 30 pounds. So yeah, I like to combine expensive with super cheap, because if you only wear expensive brands, you're just, I don't know, for me, that's not a style. The style is when you can combine very cheap and very expensive together and then looking like 1 million bucks. Remember that. I've been wearing these a lot lately. I have them on my Instagram I combined them with two outfits, and people were like, oh my god, where did you get those shoes? And they were from Public Desire as well. You can see the details. They look very classy, and I styled them so differently. So yeah, I love them so much. And now my favorite part, I'm gonna show you my sneakers that I've been obsessing with lately. These are my first Alexander McQueen sneakers and I'm really obsessing over them. I'm really keeping them like clean. I don't even wanna, yeah, they're dirty from, ugh. I just love them. I'm not buying stuff like this every single day. They're called Larry Croc Metallic. So you can choose, like this sneakers come in variety of colors and materials of this part here. This is from the newest collection. I got them in silver color because I don't know, they will go with everything. And I don't know, I just love how they look like in silver. Finally got my hands on Vans. These are my favorites. I mean, I love the original, the black ones, but these are completely screaming my name. They're like such a great pair of sneakers. I cannot even explain. Like I wore them today on this jacket. I had the gray joggers from ZARA and it was like a bomb-ass outfit. If you're thinking about purchasing them, go size smaller because yes, I think they're made in a size bigger. So keep that on mind. And the last but not least, I got these beauties today. They're so freaking pretty. I normally don't wear Nike like ever. I don't know why, but these are like so good. And yeah, I think we're done for today. I actually made a mess around me. You don't even want to know. But yeah, that would be my style. That would be something how I would combine some stuff. My springtime statement pieces all in here. Obviously I got so much more clothes, but they describe my style the best. Yeah, I think you can still find them in stores. If I don't find them online, I will not link them obviously, but I believe they should still be online. But if not, I'm definitely sure you're gonna find something very similar for yourself. Yeah, you're probably gonna ask, where's this jacket from? It's from Topshop. This one is in size 10. It's like very baggy. So thank you so much for watching this video again. See you in my next video.